Hey guys, welcome back to the outstanding video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss when you try to send payments through your Cash App account, you may face a problem that your recipient is unable to accept payments right now. So, how can you fix it? So, guys, we can fix it very easily. So, simply, guys, there are 3 to 4 ways to fix this problem. So, simply, first of all, guys, you will make ensure that your recipient account is active and fully verified. Because if recipient account is not verified, then guys, you may not be able to send payments. So you may make ensure, or you may ask your recipient to verify their account. So you may check, as you may open your recipient account, or you may ask your recipient to open their account, and they may verify their account from here. The second method is, guys, you may make sure that your recipient account limit is not reached to its maximum. So you ask your recipient to click here on limits, and they may ensure that they have remaining limits. The third method is, your recipient is not a scammer, or his or her account is not mentioned or marked as a flagged account. So after this, guys, you may check your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, then guys, you may click here on support, and you may contact Cash App support team and tell them your problem, and Cash App support team will fix it as soon as possible. So by all these methods, guys, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.